Good morning, welcome to the latest Uphaven fly fishing video. Again, it's another fishing one. Today me and Ben are back out on Farmoor, but this time we're on a boat. So it's the first week of March, we've had some lovely weather and we've just spoke to the ranger. He tells us that the fish are still deep despite the warmer weather, but we have already seen some buzzers coming off in the harbour. So our approach for today, I've gone for an airflow booby basher, a 20-foot leader of ASSO 2X fluorocarbon with two large-eyed boobies. I've got the black Viva booby that I just tied in the latest fly tying video, and then I've got the copper flash damsel booby on the point. So the idea is I'm going to chuck it out, work the depth, using either a slow figure of 8 or maybe a slow roly-poly, and keep the flies nice and deep, sort of pop them off the bottom and see if I can come across some fish. And Ben's gone for a slightly different approach. He's gone for the airflow 12-foot fast tip, so that's a 12-foot sink tip and the tip sinks at 2 inches a second. He's then got a 4-fly cast. On the top dropper he's got a weighted atomic egg in the new Half-Life pink, and then after that he's got 2 buzzers on the dropper, and on the point he's gone for a weighted atomic worm. The idea being that if they're not quite on the buzzers yet, they should take the weighted either atomic egg or the weighted worm, and he's going to let that sink down, nice long leader, real slow retrieve and get it down the bottom, hopefully bring the buzzers up on that vertical presentation. So we're going to start fishing and we'll talk you through the method and how's the days going as we progress. So let's see if we can catch some fish. Well, we've got the first fish of the day. We're halfway across Farmoor now. Just chucked out the booby basher, figure of 8 in it back, and it's taken the copper flash damsel on the point. Nice strong fish. We've just plumbed the depth. We're in 27 feet of water. I imagine this probably took at about sort of, I don't know, 20 foot down. It's a nice fish. Put it in the net. There we go. So just unhook him, show you the fly that we caught him on. There we go. So let's get the fish back. There he is, lovely Farmoor rainbow, nice start to the day. Away there. And that's the fly we caught him on. One of the ones I tied recently on the YouTube channel. So, let's see if we can get another. So, got another one on now. So with this one I cast out, waited for 10 seconds before I actually retrieved, just let the line really bed in. And this one has taken the black and green Viva booby on the dropper. So I would say that this one literally took about 10 feet off the bottom. So it does look like the fish are really deep this morning. But we are seeing buzzers coming off. So we continue to catch. I've just caught one a little bit higher up in the water column, so we're taking a few fish for the pot today, so we decided we're going to spoon it and see if they are coming up to feed on anything specific. So Mara spoon goes in, turn a couple of times and just pull out, and then drop it in the specimen pot. And then we'll just have a look. Daphnia. Lots of little Daphnia there, waterborne flea. There is something green as well in there. I think it might be a buzzer. Just go for another spoon, see if there's anything else in there. Mussels. There's also some small mussels in there. So yeah, we've got a bit of Daphnia, green buzzer, and a few really small mussels in there. Well, Ben's just landed one on the buzzer on the top dropper. He's just put a little booby on the point just to bring it up a bit, and that's his second fish on the day. And what fly's that taken, Ben?
It's an epoxy buzzer.
An epoxy buzzer, lovely.
White cheeks, white epoxy resin cheeks. Top dropper. Couldn't have been more than 6 foot down.
Lovely.
Got a fast 10-foot fast tip on.
Well, that's it. The end to a lovely day here at Farmoor. We had some beautiful conditions to start with, really light winds. Wind picked up in the middle bit of the day, made it a little bit trickier. The idea was we were going to start deep and then hopefully we'd get them on the buzzers as it warmed up. It just so happened that as it warmed up, the wind picked up and it made it a little bit challenging. Ben did get them on the buzzers using a long midge tip with a weight flying the point and then a team of buzzers. However, the best method for both of us has been using fast sinking lines. I've been using the Airflow booby basher with the Viva booby and the Copper Flash booby. Both of the lines are available on the website and I'll tag them in the description below. The flies Ben found most success on was a Fusion Straggle Humongous, one of the ones from our unique fly range, and then a black leech. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. We've been catching lots of fish, and hopefully if you've liked it, drop us a like button, and if you're a new watcher, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.